was just an echo. Right, Stray?
Protocol is stupid. You can't say you're lost. You can't say you're scared. You can't say, of course. You have to say, it will be in my honor. You can't say you're welcome. There's to the hallway, by the way.
So, you're coming up on a locked gate in the next couple of turns. One right and two lefts. I have the code. So let me know whenever you get there.
Alright, will do.
So, what's it like with your group?
The best of the best. We're all close and honest with each other. Well, most of us. But when it comes down to it, we all have each other's backs.
Like, always? What if you guys get into a disagreement or an argument and you guys split up and something happens and you get lost? What happens then?
You ask a lot of questions. We just find a way to make it work. And tough through it. You always find a way.
And you can rely on them like that?
With my life. And so can you.
Thanks for the sentiment, but, I guess we'll see.
No problem, cat lady.
That was just an echo. Right, Stray?